I went through tech, he just needed my name.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. I'm with the boy Nigel. Always, you guys already know, he's like literally a feature star. If I got as big as TJ Hunt, you'd be my Calvin at this point. You're in the fucking vlog so much.
I'll take it. He's got cool cars.
Calvin does have cool cars. He actually knows all about the cars, and TJ Hunt doesn't do anything about. I mean, he doesn't know things, but
yeah,
can predict. Anyway, so we're prepping right now. We actually got to get his draggies on. Yeah, Nigel bought some. What do they call it? Hoosiers. Hoosiers. Yeah. I got my intake off, filled up with oil. He filled up gas, all that stuff already. Intake off. So we're ready to go, except for the tires at least. That's the. No, the next car in question is this thing with here going crazy. What else is there? Yeah, so here's the freaking drag radials we got. Some interesting, like, look at this, guys. I can shove my finger into the side. That's crazy. Super. Oh, I gotta sign this. All right, so now just finishing up his draggies. Look at it, it looks so fucking menacing, dude. Like, so menacing. Sorry for that sound. Hey, good morning. How are you?
Doing good.
I don't think